You know how I was telling you guys about the turbo, which is not gonna happen. It was really expensive and shipped from Japan. Okay. Instead of that, this is our new edition. We got blacked out headlights now. Blacked out, looks a little bit. Now, new edition. Got the intake. It is a Spectrum intake. That thing, back up. Oh well, we'll rev it in a little bit. Crack kills. And we put it on, we weren't necessarily gonna know it's gonna be like, oh dang, yeah, I do, but, oh wait. Sitting here making our own mount right now. Okay, mount is good. Where's the freaking wrench that I just had? This one?
How did you mount it?
The mount to the battery.
You mounted it to the battery?
I mounted it to the battery. Check that out.
Sweet.
It'll
Yeah,
work.
babe.
It'll work for now.
Yeah.
Okay.
It'll keep it come down from around
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
a little bit.
It's got some stability.
I think that's good though. Okay. Amber, you know what to do. Now listen. Yes, you know what to do. Way louder than way better too. Woo! Do it again. Do it again. Wait, hold on. Just put the hood down and see if it makes the same noise.
That's a whole
Woo! That's a whole new car right there.
Do you really think he sounds like different?
You don't think so?
I mean, I do.
Amber, get outside of the car.
Yeah, get out. Get up front.
How do you not hear that?
Oh, I can hear that she's different.
I'm gonna go inside and see if I can hear it a little bit.
Yeah, I can hear it now outside. I think your brother's report card, so put it on the side or something.
Oh, what did this kid get?
So,
Oh, am I allowed to look? Okay. Well, yeah. Comment,
you ready to go for your eyes?
everything.
Yeah, I want to do that right.
I'll show you guys how much quicker. See. This was a bolt-on about 5-6 horsepower, maybe.
Maybe that.
Maybe. But still good.